mess. What the crap? Oh, dang it. How did that even happen? Fucking water bottle on my wheel just blew up. That was kind of funny. Alright guys, so today I'm filming this like 2 days after that hill I just bombed, after that video, and just going another bike ride, keeping it chill. We're going to go the opposite way out of the neighborhood a little later. Right now I'm just going to go around the neighborhood, and there's a couple like storm grate things, so we'll try to get some clips on those. I forgot my tripod. Be right back. Not really a tripod, but it just holds my camera. So anyway, I'm going down here. We're just look at the neighborhood for now, and like I said, a couple storm grates that I think I might be able to get some clips on. So yeah, we'll just see. I'm not sure what the game plan is for today yet. I think I got a better angle on the GoPro. That last video, it was kind of looking down the whole time. I think I got it better now. It's upside down. So let me know in the comments how I'm doing so far, and how the camera angles and stuff are, and how the rest, you know, just all that stuff, because I don't know what I'm doing yet. So yeah, I'll catch back up with you all at the spots. I'm waiting on the car to pass. It's almost passed. Okay, I think that's good. Honestly, I have no idea. Good enough. 180. Alright, no problem. Ah. I'm not getting tired on that trick. Count it. Not now. There's a driveway right over here. I think I'm gonna try foot jam. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Right here. It's kind of got a slant to it. No problem. Let's try to full cab it. Oh gosh, sketchy, but well, let's try another one real quick. Ah, man, I can't get the right footing. Taking that all day. Let's move on. We'll go left this time. We might go to the town hall. Sometimes there's no one there. Big old dump truck behind me. I'm gonna let him pass me. Yeah, I'll let him pass me. I strive to be like that man right there. Yeah. Stay in your lane, bro. A million cars behind me right now. Alright, let them pass. Hello. Hi. Oh, come on, another one? Oh, I guess 5 o'clock traffic, maybe? Yeah, that's what it is. Alright, taking a break. Keep going straight. I got some grass on my foot. Oh, frick. Freaking crap, I'm gonna be itchy now. Alright guys, pulling in the hacienda. Got a couple clips. Sketchy 3 over there, 180, foot jam. I'll be back in like when this rush hour traffic is gone, like 7:30 probably. I'll go left out of the neighborhood. So we'll see you then.